the woman, the owner.
I think this woman having a wedding.
You think?
Yeah, inquiry.
No, no.
How it's settled. How it will be set.
That was one of the workers, I think, because she had a thing and she kept on saying yes. Because she was showing it. Maybe. I never thought of
That's
that.
what I thought. That's what I thought.
I thought that was one of the
She's showing you this will lead like here, like there, like that, like that.
She would just do it.
She will.
The owner wouldn't do it.
She will, because
The owner won't do that. They've got staff to do all that. They would all be younger and no, they wouldn't have no women
no,
like
it
that.
is like
No,
Any
I don't
ideas?
think so.
Any ideas of where we're going?
But she never smiled at the older women once. She's very precise and that.
we're going for a hunting, bear hunting. It will be a big one.
No, I don't know where this is taking us. And
To this gate.
this gate,
Don't tell me that's a dead end.
Yeah, the gate going in, and then that is the where we go out with the car. That's what you said.
is this a dead end or something? Let's go check it out. Hey, look, there's a way down here.
Yeah.
That way is slow. So we have to go this way then.
Yeah.
I think this is getting us working for now.
We're going for a bear hunt.
We never even been here before.
Ang lobot ni Dinisoy nga baho.
Okay, so any ideas of where we're going?
Going back to the garden.
I don't know.
It is.
I don't know if it. I don't know where it's going. So let's just check and see what we're over here. This is tiring. We've been walking over.
We've been walking for days. I can. We're going back to the house.
Here's all the cars here. Where are we going?
Are we in the right way? You think? Or you're just making your own way?
I'm not sure where we're going.
We'll get to that other path again.
What if this takes us back to where we were? And then it takes us all the way back. How are we going to get back?
Don't know.
How?
Hold that. This way.
Let's check out what's here. We've never been here before.
Well done.
Come on.
What are you doing?
Help daddy to push it back. Dali. Help. Taro nga. Well done. You don't even move. Even your whatever.
Oh, look. You just noticed something, right? No.
Yeah, away. You're on the right track. Unsa imong balon, Dennis?
What?
Unsa na imong balon?
What that means?
Imong balon?
I don't know what it means.
Pack lunch. What is that?
The, thing. There's so many acorns here. Where are we? Where is this leading us? We don't even live here.
Mbot nimo tagilasang ka.
Where is this?
Dad, see the path. It's nice because they put this, you know. No?
We put the wood here.
Dad, we follow the right road, Nak. Don't follow that shortcut.
Short.
Lumaktod. Si Daddy is lumaktod.
Where is he even going? We have to follow the path and check.
He did not follow the path. He just go across.
Ouchie are. Okay, so let's go check. How to do what? Look. I'll just go.
Ay, it is, Dad.
Oh, is this taking us back?
Ay,
Choo choo train.
choo-choo train. Ihatag ni Daddy yung dala. Ihatag ni Daddy yung dala. Kasabot.
Where is this taking us? This path is so weird. We've already been here for a long time.
Look at that knock, oh. Birds. What do you call it, Dad? A bird's cage.
A bug box.
Whatever.
Come on,
It's a bird's box.
come on.
Say something, small bugs.
Guys, which way go?
That way.
Left again.
We just came over. Right? You want to go that way again?
Let's check one.
At last, we've seen the tomb. What's that? Tomb. Covenanter's tomb. Grabe, oh, this tree that is very dako. Oh,
Back to the tomb.
very big, oh, tree. Look at that.
I know.
It looks like one eye, like an alien did.
One eye. Grabe ka dako. So that is the tomb in there. 1660, Dad? This tomb is 1660?
Yeah.
Lubnganan sa Covenanters. I don't know what is Covenanters. Oy! Hoy! Naay kuan. Naay raspberries din is. Come here. Dali, yeah.
Where?
Loads of that underneath. Get it. There's that one. Get it.
We should have come here earlier. Look.
So, mauna siya ang Covenanters tomb. 1660.
Here it is. Oh, where is it? Go and get that.
So, naay raspberries?
Yes.
Napadali, oh.
Getting colder.
Gitugnaw ka na? Underneath ba? Ningon kung underneath, wala giadto. Nara, oh. Dinis. There's one pa. Look.
Open the...
Oh, nara. Duha ra ka buok. Kala ka na. Faster, gibiyan na tanda di. Going back to the car park. So you have to go up in here. So musakat ah. Then down. Dinis, lakaw na. Down.
Right, what?
And then keep going pa. Taas kaayo. Ano?
Okay, let's just go and check. This side or this side?
Go this way.
Let's go check. Let's go see the garden first. And see what's there. We never saw it yet. Oh, we saw it. Now we could just go and see it.
Nice, though, eh?
Mm.